of a hidden pineapple leaf. I'm the king of the mountain. A true ninja is one who endures. A ninja is one who endures. Endure, bro. Ride life. Practicing a few different breathing techniques. The first trail, the Green Hill Trail, I was doing 2 in, heavy, 1 out. Second, I was experimenting 2 in, 2 out. So 2 in, 1 out, 2 in, 2 out, which I'll match with my foot drop with my steps, as you can hear. Make your own metronome in your head to help with higher cadence, so you're more efficient, faster, less injuries. You can even download a metronome to listen to while you're running to get your cadence higher. That's what I did. You gotta work hard to get that cadence up. Flower power. Checking out the rich. Look. Whoop, whoop. Boop, boop, boop. Non-stop fury. Non-stop flower power. Peeny weeny. So in this video, we're going to be specifically talking about breathing techniques and breathing rhythm. We'll go in to another video to talk about how to breathe from their belly instead of your chest and proper form This is just to add onto the last video of that run I did the other day, combining the two. So another good running technique for breathing pattern is what they call every 2 steps breathe in, every step after that, or 2 steps in, breathe in, 1 step out, breathe out. So it goes as you can, I'm sure, hear my footsteps that go along to that. So it's 2 in, 1 out. I prefer 3 in, 2 out, which breathing through your mouth is gonna also provide you with more fuel. Some more experienced runners, when you're pushing hard, you'll start getting better at breathing through your mouth and nose at the same time, but significantly more through your mouth. So it goes 3 in, 2 out. So it goes I'm sure you kind of get the gist of it. Just match it with the pattern of your cadence, of your foot strikes. But you don't want it to be too quick of breaths, because it's just less efficient. You can cramp up more that way. You want deeper inhales. So, another beautiful day. So out here, getting out in the fresh air, hydrated, carved up, on another Rad Life run, just doing enduro things. So, these are going to be 2 different runs spliced together. I can see the end of the road coming up on the halfway part across from Bennett Valley Golf Course, where all the yuppies tuck their pants in with their loafers and over there private yacht club boating shoes. All right. So, but when it comes to breathing techniques, there's been studies to show that a lot of people kind of have their own patterns. So experiment, see what works best for you. But if you can try to find a more efficient ways to do things, make your runs easier, why not? But wouldn't you want to be faster? So whatever helps. But yeah, when you're really pushing harder, you do want to breathe through your mouth. That is, only breathing through your nose is a myth, but you can practice breathing only through your nose on your slower base runs, on your slower training block runs. You because you're kind of think about the two little straws through the nose through air ventilation versus a either boba straw or something else, or an exhaust. Well, anyway, hope that helps. If you have any comments or questions, if you want to share your breathing techniques, feel free to don't be shy and drop a comment below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with the fellow enduros out there who want to become. Another thing I should add is to make your inhales longer and deeper as well. Obviously learning to breathe through your belly versus the chest. But when you do the breathing techniques, you do like a longer 2 inhale, 1 exhale. So like, and the same goes for like you're doing a 2 in, 2 out. So what you do. I feel like most of my life I naturally ran 2 in, 2 out, matching it. Through my foot strikes. And another thing I should add, which I'll add in the next video that I talk about when it comes to breathing properly while running, like more like form, not just like breathing pattern techniques. But you do want to run a more straight kind of picture, almost like a string above your head, pulling your head up, open your airways up, so you can breathe more efficiently. That's another key element, because your form, like we're meant to run as human beings, is the best thing. It's the number one thing we have over any other animal is endurance in the world. So we are natural runners. You want to be up, shoulders relaxed, but back, and looking like at least 100 feet up your path. And your form naturally kind of correct itself, run properly for injury prevention. Aim to get 170 to 80 cadence steps per minute. You want to be looking pretty much as far down your vision line as possible, your line of vision. As you're running tall. And that's going to help you out tremendously with your form. Oh yeah. I was kind of breaking up the breathing to make it apparent, but you could practice doing it with kind of a broken cadence, like if it helps you. But I think it's best to probably make it like one continuous 3 in, one continuous 2 out. But if you are going to maybe test it, do some like mile splits or maybe some 5Ks and try one breathing technique versus another the entire time, see the results, experiment, see what works for you. But I think I might actually do that, test on my own video and upload it, and do some anecdotal data. Probably doesn't help that I've been having some knee pain and a running snotty nose. I think I have like a light cold or something. It's very clear and it's been running a lot. I'm gonna blow my nose and run it through toilet paper. Pun pardon. They say sometimes it's like something flaring your neck, nasal passage. But it's a little ironic I'm doing this video on a day where I got a runny nose in the early aughts of spring.